putting these in my place? Yeah, ready? I'll sit in the back over here. You can ride. I'll ride with you.
Say bye, Mama. Say bye.
Bye, Emily.
I want on the bike.
Bye, Benicio. Bye.
That's it. Hey, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Vroom, vroom.
Really scare them.
Are you on the motorcycle, Diego?
No,
Don't do that. They can fall off.
Have a good trip out.
I'll hold them. Go ahead, I'll hold them.
Ready?
Yeah, hold on.
All right, we're going to turn it on.
Pero no se van a lastimar.
He's leaving that music.
Okay, hold on. It's going to start up. You ready?
All right.
I held them slowly.
I think you forget that I used to ride a motorcycle.
You like it? You want to ride it?
He has a motorcycle.
Susana, we got it on tape now. Even if you wanted to hide.
Do you have any pictures? You have to ask Manny if you could trade us for the Superman car. Go ask him. You have to ask him.
I'm going to get going too, I guess.
You have to ask Manny to trade. Who's this? That's your backpack, John. Who's this?
Diego, do you want to trade that?
Go get him over there.
Diego, we'll trade.
Oh, you're not taking me, are you?
Yeah, you too. Get close to my mom. Y Pancho Villa también acá.
No. You guys are true.
Oh, okay. So he likes that. He likes that one. You want the bulldozer? Here, you can take the bulldozer. Okay.
Our Mexican icon.
Okay, alright. Yeah, it's fine. Whatever makes most of Yeah, I threw in an extra.
He's so funny.
I let him barter Terry over.
Matter of fact, I got it too.
Last night?
Wow. No, last night was cool.
So he made out like a bandit. Bye, Diego. You want to make a getaway? You want to get there?
So he liked that one better?
Go give Amelita a kiss. Come on.
Yeah, he likes it better.
Yeah, I think that's a good thing. I figured they would figure it out.
Why holding that pack of cigarettes to us? Oh.
Say hi.
Oh.
Ooh, look at you.
Want to give her a kiss?
Mwah, mwah. Mwah.
Give me a hug. These are good age for him. You know, they're for his. Okay, get in the car.
Thanks, man.
Bye.
Oh, we made out.
See you, Diego.
No more kisses?
No more kisses. No more.
Oh, he loves it. He's just
Being shy.
he just wants to get away with his bounty.